All right, so just a reminder, there is an influx and an increase in the community of dangerous drugs that are going around and are becoming increasingly accessible. Some of these drugs include drugs as harsh as crystal meth, which is a very, very serious drug that can result in very long-term effects to your physical and mental well-being. So thank you very much, Jerome, for bringing that up. But just a reminder, we have to make sure we're taking good care of ourselves as well. And that includes the kind of food and substances that we bring into our body. So please make sure that you are making healthy and safe choices as much as you can. And please do not fall into the temptation of getting involved in some of these hard drugs, because they really can have some lasting effects, and the addictions can have consequences that you never imagined. So please stay away from that stuff. All right.